Hello, hi everyone. So we are starting with our wedding collection season 2025. This would be our first this thing. You can say it's a launch or whatever. Fresh from the loom, बहुत अच्छे suits आ रहे हैं. Okay, these are budget friendly suits in chinia silk with kora silk dupatta. As many of you have been asking me कि हमें gifting के लिए चाहिए शादी में, but not more than 20K within that budget, and they are excellent to be wearing for yourselves for festivities. As you all know, the festivals have started. So the suit set, what I am going to show you today is for 16,623 piece suit set. चिनिया सिल्क का कुर्ता है, प्योर कोरा सिल्क की दुपट्टा है, and the bottom is in mercerized cotton. I'll show you, open up all the three pieces and show you very nicely. And they are excellent at the price they are. All is in karwa, all the work is in karwa. So this is the first color that I have been wearing. So this is very nice green, mehndi green. Okay, very pretty color. Sona Rupa booties hai in the front. I'm going to open up the entire kurta and show you क्या क्या आ रहा है इसमें आपके पास. So this is the kurta का front, no borders guys. This is the back. The sleeves has booties. You can see the small sleeves का छोटी booties and border है. Okay, this is the mercerized cotton का bottom with it. You can see it's very soft, very lightweight fabric, and you can skip the lining if you want in the bottom, but it's better to put. So this is the kora silk ka dupatta. The kurta and the dupatta are entirely in karwa. So they are very good at this price range. They are excellent to be wearing yourselves. Like आजकल young लड़कियों को आपको अपनी daughters के लिए लेना है, daughter in laws के लिए, they don't want to wear very heavy, very rich stuff, but they want to look dressy at the same time. So these are just perfect for that purpose. So the one I am wearing, that is also in chinia silk with kora silk dupatta, but मेरे वाले में embroidery है, not woven booties. These are woven Sona Rupa booties in karwa. So fabulous color in charcoal grey, very pretty shades, very English colors, and ये जो दुपट्टे में salvage दिया है contrasting, that is making the whole look come up alive. So this is a beautiful dupatta with it in kora silk. Guys, I'm going to open it up this one also for you to have a nice look. ये कुर्ता है, front में booties हैं, backs are plain for these suits to make them budget friendly. So these are the sleeves ka booties and the border, and this is the bottom. Excellent suits. Okay, now this is a beautiful yellow color, as many of you have want yellow for haldi, mehndi functions, day wear, outdoor. And chinia silk is a fabulous fabric. As you can see, I am wearing one. So the flow, the feel is absolutely stunning, and sheen shine bhi bahut acha rehta hai, like. So this is the dupatta with it. So guys, as you all know, the festivities have already begun with Raksha Bandhan. अभी बॉम्बे में गणपति का इतना इतना पॉम्पे शो है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. सब पूरा फेस्टिविटी वाला फील आ रहा है. रोड पे भी जाते आते ऑफिस से वी कैन सी गणपति कमिंग गोइंग. कल 1.5 दिन वाले हमारे कंप्लीट हो गए बॉम्बे वालों के. So it's really very nice, and we all are in the mood of festivities right now. So this is a black shade with these Sona Rupa booties. I might not open this one. आपने देख ही लिया, सबका concept same है. Backs are plain. There are no booties on the back. Sleeves में booties and border दिया है. And all these dupattas are just so fabulous. Very ultra lightweight. And all is in karwa, in the dupatta. Sona Rupa है, karwa है. And they are ultra lightweight and soft and flowy. So the salvage सब में जो different दी है ना, उससे बहुत अच्छा grace and look आ रहा है. Okay, now this one I have one more piece. This is a bit different concept. है चिनिया सिल्क की, सेम है, booties है, कोई border नहीं है कुर्ते में. And just gonna open it up. Mercerized का bottom है, सब same है, only the dupatta is slightly different from the other ones. The dupatta in this one is also in chinia. Only the daman का जो दिया है part, that is in kora. So this is the beautiful dupatta. This is in kora. Rest all is in chinia. You can see how gorgeous the piece is. So it was a short video, just these 4-5 pieces. Take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp number, and we'll be there.